Hello and good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Solaris X from Solaris Techno How, and today I'm going to show you how to remove a background image from your photos. There are many various ways of removing the background from your image, but I'm going to show you two ways. I'm going to show you a free online way, and I'm going to show you a Photoshop way. The recommended use is using Photoshop, Adobe Photoshop, because this can edit your image way better than the free website. The website will be available for you in the description below, so feel free to click the link and use that link to remove your background image if you want your image removed from the background. Okay. So first of all, I'm going to show you is the free method using the free link down in the description down below, www.remove.bg. You come here in this oval button right by here, it says upload image. You click upload image, and then you want to find where your image is stored, the one that you want to remove the background from. Double click your image, double left mouse click your image, and as you can see there, it has deleted quite a lot of the image. Now, what you want to do, if you don't delete anymore, you want to go to erase or restore. Restore simply restores your image background, and erase simply erases it. So what you want to do is go around and check out image areas that you want to remove. Single left click to the areas that you want to remove. And that's easily removed. The background now is transparent. You want to click OK. So now you've got the transparent image. With this, what you can do, you can add a different background. Let's say you want to add a color to your image. So you add color. You can add a blur to your image. So you can adjust the amount of blur that you want using the scroll bar. Or you can add a photo in the background. So when you click photo, you can add your own photos in the background. So you can find whatever photo you want into your section to add your own backgrounds. Or you can have the pre-selected background images. Let's say you can add that, or you can add this. There is various different websites which uses different background images to change for your background. So you can find different images in different links. As you can see, you got some really nice illustrated backgrounds to use. But for this occasion, I want my background to be transparent, so I click the transparent image and click done. You can create a design if you want to design your own stuff, and then you can quickly turn your image into beautiful design with canvas. Create your design. Select what you want your design to be. But in this illustration, I don't want to design, I just want to remove the image. And you can download this image for 500 by 500 pixels. Basically, that means 500 width to 500 height. For high definition value of 512 by 512, you need to sign up for your plan. But because I'm using a free edition, I want to click the blue button right here. As you can see, when I open my image, it should come up as background removed. You can edit the image here, and then you can simply crop your image to match the scale size of your photo. Then you click Save Options, then Save. Now your image is in the right proportion scaling. As you could see there, what we've done, we've removed the background image, and also we have cropped it into the right scale of your selfie. The other method is using the Photoshop. Bear with me. All you need to do is in Photoshop, click Open, select Image. And over here, you need to click Open at the bottom there. If this comes up, you need to click Open. This is only if you got the camera raw. If you don't have the camera raw, it will automatically open in Photoshop. So once you click Open, you've got your photo to edit in Photoshop. All you need to do is in the layers section, you want to right mouse click and then select duplicate layer and then click OK. Now you got a copy of your image, not to destroy the main image. Now with the main image you don't need anymore. Click the main image once and then click the delete button on your keyboard to remove the main image, not to destroy the main image. So your main image keeps safe like that. And in properties now, you want to go to quick actions. If you cannot find properties in this section right by here, you could go to Window, in the drop down menu, select Properties, and in Properties you want to go to Quick Actions, Remove Background. This has removed a majority of your background, but you still got some stuff in the background you need to remove. First things first, a tip that I want to use is to use a colored background so you know exactly what you're removing. So over here you have rectangle tool. You want to click the rectangle tool and fill. I usually use the fill as black because that is a nice dark color to demonstrate with. Hold down left mouse button, drag with your mouse, let go. You should have the whole image blacked out. Now you want your image to be the main. Now you want your image to be the first one in this section. So you want the foreground to be your image. Simply hold down left mouse on the background copy image. So the second option at the bottom there, and then drag it up to the top. And when you see the blue bar up the top, then let go. Now your image is into the foreground, not the background. To remove the rest of the image from to remove the rest of the background from your image, go to select and mask, and set the transparency to 100%. This you can see clearly how much of the image is removed. Select your tool size. So basically, the bigger the size is, the bigger area it will remove. And then click the minus icon up the top. That's to remove areas. So if you want to remove this area, just click that. Just hold on left mouse and highlight the areas you want to remove. But if you want to add sections, click the plus button, then add your sections like that. Let's remove this area. If you've made a mistake, you can press Ctrl and Z to undo your section. Let's add this area, and now we're going to start removing more of this background. The reason I've added the black background is so I can see clearly if there's any faint lines, so I could see exactly what to remove within the image. So although this step is not essential that you add a black background, but it is easier to see exactly what has been removed within your image. Keep getting rid of areas that you want to remove. Adjusting the size of your tool. You can use the radius. You can use the smooth, the feather to adjust the removing the image background. Once you're happy with what you've removed, you can select OK. And as you can see here, we got the image with the removed background. Now all you want to do is delete the black border. So select the black border once in the layers section, then press the delete key. Now you are at this section with the removed background, but your box is too big. So you want to sort of crop it to match this size of your image. You want to go to image, at the top selection right by here, then select trim, and you can say on the transparent pixels and then click OK. This now has been trimmed to the area of your image. And then all you have to do on your keyboard, press Ctrl Alt Shift S to save your image. And you can select your pixel size here. So basically, let's say 500. This is to resize the image. Let's say 500. This link here, you can click the link to set a custom width and a custom height without it being like fixed height and width. And you can click save. Save it wherever you want to. Let's say pictures. And there'll be a PNG file because it's a is a back is a image without a background. So PNG is basically used for transparent backgrounds. And then click save. Once you've done that, you can click off Adobe Photoshop and then have a look at your image. As you can see there, it has removed the background. I hope this helps you in editing your background images to have transparent backgrounds. And I'll speak to you again soon. All the best. Take care.